Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook your account has been locked. To know how to fix or how to solve your account has been locked, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will click force stop. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.